Today, we're diving into the BlackBox KV9702A, a powerhouse in the world of KVM switches. Made in Taiwan, this device boasts a design focused on delivering high availability, scalability, and maximum flexibility, all while maintaining an excellent price-to-performance ratio. Let's talk dimensions first. With a package size of 9.3 by 24.0 by 18.9 centimeters and item dimensions of 9.5 by 7.25 by 3.75 inches, it strikes a balance between compactness and usability. The metal construction ensures durability, perfect for those demanding environments. Connectivity is key, and the KV9702A doesn't disappoint. Sporting 2 display ports and USB connectors, it seamlessly integrates into your setup. The X10 connectivity protocol ensures smooth operation, whether you're switching between devices or managing multiple screens. One standout feature is its international protection rating of IP00, providing peace of mind against dust and debris. Whether you're in a bustling office or a dusty workshop, your investment is safeguarded. Setup is a breeze, with straightforward plug-and-play functionality. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a beginner, getting up and running is hassle-free. With its 2-port capability, the KV9702A offers versatility without compromise. Switch effortlessly between 2 devices, enhancing productivity and streamlining your workflow. In conclusion, the BlackBox KV9702A is a top-tier electronic switch that ticks all the boxes: reliability, performance, and ease of use. If you're in the market for the best 2-display port KVM switch, look no further than the KV9702A. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.